Okay, so I wanted to kind of show y'all a cool spot over here. That old building. Give y'all some history on it. Y'all probably don't have any idea what that is. See, I ride my four-wheeler over here some too. Y'all can see these tracks. My brute force 650 that I got souped up. So if any of y'all are into that, check out I got some videos on my channel on it also, doing some different things. And now these are bees, guys. If y'all have ever seen people that do the beekeeping and stuff, they put bees and stuff over here, so you do the honey and the pollinating and all that, and they kind of fly around. I see some of them whipping around in front of me right now. I hope they don't try to sting my behind. So check this out, guys. This building here, this building used to be like the old Summerton. Well, at first, shut this off a minute. This used to be like the old sewing plant out here in Summerton, South Carolina. This was like the old sewing plant. Then they came back like it shut down, and then years and years later, they turned it into the Summerton Adult Daycare Center, and this was in operation for, I don't know, maybe 6 months to a year, and then it was shut down. And then you see this here. Now this ceiling and everything falling in, this did not happen until pretty recently. There everything was fine, but you can see right now it's really jacked up pretty good. So anyway, pretty cool, you know, riding around inside an old building like this. You know, I mean, you're riding a two-stroke race bike around inside an old building. Pretty neat. Oh man, I mean, this thing picks up some speed really quick. You know, and this is not dirt, and I have dirt tires on it, so I don't want to go flying into a concrete wall. That'd be, sure that'd make for a viral YouTube video, but not at my expense. So anyway, guys, we're just kind of cruising along here, checking stuff out. You know, I mean, I got a dirt road. I got a trail I want to take y'all to, and a long dirt road. I kind of want to open this thing up, see what kind of speed we can get. Maybe do like a top speed run. So I'm gonna watch out for squirrels on this road. Oh my God, this thing just hauls ass. I mean, for real, for real. early, guys. I mean, this bike really hauls ass. Take y'all over here to a little spot. Just kind of ease it on down. All right. This thing breaking early, guys. I mean, this bike really hauls ass. Take y'all over here to a little spot. Just kind of ease it on down. All right. Then I stall out. That's good. Now I got cars coming, trying to wait on these fuckers to pass. Alright guys, so here we are. Big field out here they're planting this summer. They usually do like some tomatoes, cucumbers, stuff like that. And my family's friends with the family that, you know, farms and owns all this land, so, you know, I'm always welcome to ride out here. Of course, you know, I respect their property. I don't ride through the middle of the field and stuff when they're planting. But you know, I'm welcome to ride out here, so I ride out here a lot. And then I also see, looks like they're working on some stuff over here. I do that, and then I also just kind of come, you know, and do some other stuff. So you can see a bunch of mixing and stuff. But so yeah, I know everybody out here. Oh yeah. Be careful around these curves, guys. I mean, this dirt's like, dirt's really soft. Oh boy. Yeah, guys, this thing just really rips. Y'all can't really see that already. This thing hauls, but alrighty. Got a little sideways back there. come up with stuff to talk about. You know, this, I don't know if y'all, I think y'all know the story on this bike. I mentioned it in a previous video, kind of like when I got it. I had a, and I did a video on it also, but I had a 05 Honda TRX 450R, the four-wheeler, that I got. Needed some work. I kind of, you know, souped it up, threw some pretty cool bolt-ons on it, you know. Like I said, just souping it up some. Wrote it, decided to sell it, put it on Craigslist. Had somebody offer to trade, and I said, what you got? They sent me a picture of this, what you see here. And I said, you know, I'd kind of like been in the market for another dirt bike, another two-stroke. Because when I was 15, 16 years old, I had a KX100, 01 KX100, Kawasaki. That's really all I've ever ridden. My first four-wheeler was a Kawasaki Bayou 220. But anyway, you know, started out, it's flying around over here, it's bothering the shit out of me. I can't see what it is. Started out, like I said, with that KX100. And you know, I really like that. I really like that dirt bike. But I ended up outgrowing it, of course, you know, when I was about like 18, you know. And I was just, I was too big for it. I'm just gonna cruise down this road a little bit. Like I said, you know, I was about 18, outgrew it, and really, honestly, guys, from 18, actually for about, you know, several years. I outgrew that bike, and I didn't get another one until recent. Well, I'd say recently. It's probably been about like 6 months or so. But anyway, so I got this. Been enjoying it so far. Let's see, I'm gonna try to open it up right here on this little stretch of road, guys. Get up here and I'm gonna turn around.